All stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
I ask myself, what am I doing here? Oh, yeah.
What's up, guys? Hellcat E here. We're back with another video this week. This week we're going to be painting the supercharger, painting the brakes, adding some carbon fiber pieces, and we might do a little bit of interior trim, interior lighting trim. I'm not sure yet, but that's the most part of what we're going to do today. So stay tuned. We're going to get into the video and enjoy. So I decided to do a little test fit of the drag pack just to see how it looks, and ooh boy. That's going to be one nasty setup. That's just a little sneak peek, so won't be on until this summer, but stay tuned. All right, so we're going to get started on the brakes first and the supercharger. I already showed a little bit last week on the stuff that we got to do it all. So I'm going to go over a little bit, not too in depth, but first off we got, of course, sandpaper so we can scuff it down. We've got 80, 120, 180, and 220 grit. We've got paper towels, we've got brake clean, we've got our paint, our tape, clear coat, the engine paint, the brake paint, paint brushes, plastic, and then the Goo Gone for our racing stripes we took off last week, so that way we can have a nice clean surface area for our new wrap. Trevor already got started on the brakes and is getting a good, nice scuff on them. They don't need to be down to bare metal. They just need to be scuffed up so that way, you know, the paint can apply very nicely. So we're just going to set up probably a time lapse here because this is some boring shit. You know, nobody wants to watch 30 minutes of this. So set up the time lapse like any other time. Enjoy. We'll get into the good parts, you know, when we get there. So enjoy the little time lapse for now. So we got the supercharger parts almost off. We're gonna take off the top lid to make it easier to paint. Trevor's got a good sanding on the front, working on the back. Now we just got to do the other side, and then we're gonna start painting. So right now, you know, prep is the biggest thing, so everything looks great. But once all the prep is done, then everything's gonna look good, and we're gonna hop into painting. So stay tuned and enjoy. All right, so we got the supercharger off. We got some paper towels laying over it so far, just to keep all the bad, you know, like dust and debris and anything out from the inside of the engine. I got primer. I got clear coat. We're gonna start doing the supercharger. Trevor's still doing the brakes. He's almost done. We've got a good base layer done, so that way we can get to the painting them. But besides that, we're about to get into the supercharger painting. As you can see, this is our little setup paint booth over here. Got the boys doing
our little slaves.
We got we decided to do also paint the like the trim pieces for the interior engine. So they're just putting it over the chrome parts because I'm going to keep those chrome, and everything black is going to be hot pink to match the supercharger. So I think that's going to look really sick, but you know, we won't see until it's done. So stay tuned and enjoy. We're going to get back into a little bit of the probably time lapse because that's probably the best thing for this. So enjoy.
Twisted Tea sponsor us.
Of kingdoms past and crowns of ancient kings. I've heard stories of distant lands, realms I long to reach. Your voice, it beckons me to.
All right, so we got the supercharger painted. Here is a little reveal of it. And woo! Just wait till it's on the car. Now we're going to be painting next is the little trim panels. We've already got most of them taped off. I want to keep the chrome on them and paint the black part pink to match the supercharger. So that's what we're finishing off now. We got all the brakes done, ready to be cleaned up. That's what Will's in the process of doing right now. And then we're going to start painting those. Everything's basically coming together. All we have left to do is carbon fiber pieces. And then I don't think today we're going to get to the interior trim. We'll probably do that tomorrow.
Hell no.
So that's about it. Enjoy the rest of this little time lapse.
To worlds unexplored, to leave behind my home and wander.
All right, so we got the supercharger painted. We've got the trim pieces painted. Trevor's working on he found a little bit of wrap we left that we didn't take all the way off. So he's taking the rest of the wrap off and then cleaning off the goo of the racing stripes. So that way we have a clean layer for the new wrap. All the brakes are done. They're cleaned up. They're sanded. They're ready for the paint. So I'm probably going to start that next. And everything's coming along pretty nice. All we got left is to do is the carbon interior piece, and the brakes. We should be pretty much finished up for tonight. All right, we finished up with painting everything that needed to be painted. The supercharger's done. The trim pieces are done. Everything's got clear coat on them. They've been drying for a few hours. The supercharger is almost close to being done with drying, but holy cow, it looks so good. Trim pieces. Obviously, like the badge, I have to take all the tape off so that way you can see the chrome badge, the chrome pieces, all that stuff. But for right now, it's in the drying process, and we gotta wait for it to dry all the way. Trevor and the boys are still working on the racing stripes. They almost got it cleaned off pretty well, and it's coming out great. I'm about to start painting the brakes finally. We took a little dinner, ate some dinner, relaxed. We've been working on this shit all day. So we're trying to bust it out, finish it out, so that way we can get everything drying, the paint, the brakes drying, so that way they can just sit overnight and dry and be flawless. We're getting there. It's a long process, but hope you enjoyed it. So. All right, so we got the brakes almost done. The boys are finishing up the last couple coats. It needs one more full coat on all four, and then it will be perfect. But as you can see, they already look pretty fucking flawless. So next, we're going to get into the carbon fiber interior pieces that we've all been waiting for. So let's do a little bit of an unboxing and show off the little goodies we got. So that real carbon fiber.
Not that Temu shit.
Not that Temu shit. So this is our interior piece. This is going to go in. We're about to swap this out. So this one we're gonna actually do an actual video for, because we've been doing time lapses damn near the whole video. So enjoy the actual content of live action. All right, so we're in the car now. We're gonna be taking out this piece right here. Oh boy, it wants to be a tough girl. Jesus Christ.
I think the light's fully dead.
Does this motherfucker want to come out or what?
It said you had to really pry on it.
I won't pry on it.
Good thing you were using that one.
Facts. Hope I'm doing it right, not just breaking the shit out of it.
That's what it said.
What do you think? Did we break it?
I don't think so.
Oh, we definitely broke it.
How?
Were these supposed to?
Yeah. Just look, watch.
How do they clip back in?
Shitty angles. Here, hold this. Be the photographer for a second, we'll show you. Don't throw that down there yet, because you still need to get that one out.
Oh, I see, okay. We didn't break it, good shit.
Right. Again,
Does it look like broken as fuck?
Can I watch?
Oh, you watch, son.
Alright, whatever. Fuck it. You're gonna break it, watch.
Let daddy go to work here.
Okay. I'm about to retire from filming again. Upside down.
No, it's not.
Sure?
100%.
I don't know about that.
What do you want to bet?
I ain't bet nothing, because I still haven't got to drive it like I was promised.
Yeah, because you're a bad boy.
That's crazy.
That's crazy. Crazy talk, right?
Duh. Master mechanic over here.
Big master mechanic.
Tells me to watch the video on how to do it,
Shut up, bro.
but does the damn thing.
I did break one of the clips. Damn. It's alright.
It's just for air vent. You don't really need them.
Oh yeah, we don't need that AC, right?
Nope. We're about to have the shittiest quality now that that's on.
Oh, fuck.
Come on, guy.
This one's a little tough. Oh my god.
Did you just break it?
I broke a clip.
Oh my god.
It's in there now.
Alright, now put it back in the fucking car. Stop fucking with it. Just put it in.
It came out.
Oh, that much better. 0.5. Gotta go to the right. There you go. Push that shit in there. Don't be scared. Oh.
There's a broken piece in there. That's why.
Look at the boys out here. What's going on? Screen shattered till he turns it on.
It's not snug.
Is it even meant for this car?
Of course it's meant for this car.
I'm just asking.
It fits perfect, but it's like...
Well, clearly not. 3M tape that son of a bitch. Can't go back no farther. What?
It's in there.
How easy is it to pull off?
Like I could have just pulled it off.
Worst comes worst, just the 3M tape it.
Yeah, I think it's on there for now. It looks good. What do you think? Pretty fire.
I just don't like how it kept the chrome piece. That's my only complaint.
It is what it is.
And then next, this shit out of
Yeah,
here.
I'm gonna get a carbon fiber.
Ficres. There's one on there. It's like $900 though, but it's like legit, like a fucking full race. Dude, this one light right here is pissing me off. Cause it ain't pink like the rest. Look. Did you notice that? That one right here compared to the rest?
It's alright, fuck it.
Start this son of a bitch up, let's hear it.
Well, the supercharger isn't on.
Oh, that's right. That would have been the bad. It'd just be NA.
Right, the end result we've all been waiting for. These came out flawless.
Hold on, we can't see end result until it's in the fucking car. Sorry.
Shut up, Trevor.
You know what?
And just like that, we're all done. The supercharger's done, the trim's done, and it looks absolutely amazing. You can't tell me that doesn't look fire.
Looks alright.
Shut up, cameraman. All we got left to do is last coat on the brakes, but the supercharger's done, the trim's done. The brakes are, for the most part, done. They just need the final coat, and then that wraps up everything.
I've been drinking water for some time, picking up the parts of all my life. Didn't get to solve it this time. How will I to break apart?
Alrighty. After a long day of all the installs, a lot of paint all over my hands, the brakes are done, the supercharger's done, the trim is done, everything that we wanted to do, the exhaust, the carbon fiber interior. What else am I missing? Nothing?
We just gotta put the plate back on, that's all.
Yeah.
Gotta put the plate back on.
Yeah, we got the racing stripes all done and taken off, all the goo's off, ready for the new wrap.
Then we just
Basically, we're just kicking ass today and taking names.
And then when
I gotta wait for the calipers to dry up so I can put the new Brembo stickers on. That's about it. Oh yeah, and I got interior LEDs that I'm probably gonna do tomorrow, and that will probably be for next week's video. Who knows? That honestly probably not, because that's boring as fuck anyway. So
right.
But we got everything we need to do today done. It was a hell of a day. Now we just need to clean up and edit this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you liked, subscribed, commented. Don't forget to subscribe.
Click that fucking bell notification too.
Bell notifications on. And I will catch you later. Hellcat E out.
Oh, yeah.